Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a cheery card featuring some adorable spring mice and their strawberries. First, I stamp the mice and strawberries from Sweet Spring Mice onto white cardstock with VersaFine and heat emboss them with clear embossing powder. I color the mice's ears with R0s and R02 and their bodies with toner gray. I keep the mouse in the flower pot a little darker than the mouse with the strawberry. I start by coloring the mice with the lightest marker, and then I add the darkest shade and blend back out to the lightest. Next, I use G24, G28, G19, R30s, and R89 for the strawberries. Finally, I color the flower pot with E97, E79, E17, and E13. Then I die cut all the images with the coordinating honey cuts. Next, I die cut a panel of white cardstock with the Quilted A2 cover plate die. It cuts this cute stitch design across the entire panel. Then I blend Festive Berries, Tattered Rose, and Aged Mahogany Distress Oxide ink onto a panel of heavy stock white cardstock. Once I'm done blending, I dry the panel and then splatter it with water. I blot off the excess and then let it dry completely. Then I trim it down to 2.5 by 4.25 inches. I line it up on my quilted panel and decide where I'd like to position it. Then I place the quilted die over it, tape it in place, and run it through my die cutting machine. I line up the blended panel on the A2 panel and adhere it in place so the stitching design lines up. You could also mask off the white cardstock panel and blend directly onto it if you prefer. I adhere the images with a mix of regular adhesive and foam mounting tape for the mouse with the strawberry. Then I add a sentiment from Bitty Buzzwords Bloom on white and black cardstock. Off camera, I add a few accents with a white gel pen to finish the card. And that's it! I love how the ink-blended background coordinates with the strawberries and the continuation of the quilted pattern across the entire panel. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!